Hi guys, you know why I have this helmet? Because I'm going on a bicycle ride with my grandpa. Well, I mean a motorcycle ride, but first thing you have to do, you know why I'll teach you why it's important to wear a helmet, so you don't fall off. Like say if you're driving on a road, you might fall off and then you break your head, like crack it, right? So my grandpa gives me this helmet so I could like not fall off and stuff like that. Well, I'm gonna wear it. So this is how you do it. To put it on, you have to do this. I'm going to try to put it comfortable as you can. See right here? I can't really see it, but
What is that? That's a little latch, right?
buckle up.
Buckle
and how
up.
to take it off is you have to kind of,
Pull that red tab.
yeah. How do you pull it off? I can't really
Just
see it.
put it out like that. Boom.
Boom.
One
No,
more time.
not yet.
One more time. There you go. All right.
Good. Okay, it's time to ride the motorcycle.
Right.
Okay, Ashane.
How you gonna?
No, first, you must come behind.
I said I'm gonna.
This is how you do it, Ashane. You keep your foot here, hang on to his shoulder, right?
I know.
And go around like you're getting on a horsey. Okay, come on, let's go. All right.
Right.
There you go. Okay, are you good on the other side too? Okay, very good. Very good. And
Now
hang
I
on.
do this.
Yeah, hang on to him. Hang on to him. All right. You
Good
guys are.
job.
Yeah, going. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
Let's go super fast.
There they are. It's a doggy in the middle of the road. Right there. There they are. Ashane has changed his position. Now he's in the front. How do you like it, Ashane? Is it fun? Not much? Huh? Yeah?
Control, man.
Revving it up?
So, Marty, how to...
There you go. That's how you rev up. Is it fun?
Yep.